Okay, so in this code along, we're gonna take this landing page that we made with HTML and CSS and add some simple JavaScript to it. So if you go to Repletier, CS10 basic training, there should be landing page. That's the one we want. Okay, and again, I think on this one, let's hit run so we can see it over here. I'm gonna make this a touch smaller, make this, well, we'll see, pull that down. There it is. Okay. Beautiful. But what I'd like to do is I'd like to add some interaction to this. And that's what JavaScript does, right? It allows us to make these web pages come alive. So I'm going to ask the user for their name, and I'm going to ask the user for their main focus, and then we'll update the page to show those things. Okay, so in order to do that, we need JavaScript. So I like to put JavaScript in an external script file. So we're going to have our new file, script.js. And then in my index.html, let's hit auto format here. Okay, good. We usually put it, you can put your script tags anywhere, but it's recommended to do it at the end of the body. And I should show you later on why. It's not, this example is not great for that, but I'll show you later. So I'm just going to make a little comment here, load JavaScript. Remember, comments are control/. And then we just do our script tag. Sorry, script tag with a source attribute, the name of the file, and then we do need to end the script tag. Because remember, technically we can write JavaScript inside of the script tags, but we're just saying, hey, instead of writing JavaScript inside, we're going to load it from this file. Okay, so that should be JavaScript. And this one, really straightforward. I'm just going to make a little title. It's good practice to do. This will be my landing page by Mr. V. And I'm not going to do any event listeners here. I just want to have it as soon as they load the page, it's going to prompt them right away. So prompt user for data. So I'm going to create a variable, let name be assigned prompt. What is your name? Right, so prompt will return whatever the user types in and store it in the variable name. Let focus be assigned prompt. What is your main focus for today? Question mark. And then I have the data. Dun, 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 dun. And then we'll output, output the data into the page. Awesome. So to do that, I need to select just this part here and put their name in there. All right, so let's see what I can do there. Good morning, Colin. So I just want to select this part. So what I need to do is I need to put a span tag around that and then give the span an ID of name element, name span, we'll call it. Sure. Name span. Okay. And then what I can do in my JavaScript is I can select this element by its ID, right? That span element, and I can change its inner HTML. So document.get element by ID, name span we called it, dot inner HTML is assigned, and we're simply going to go whatever the user typed in, and we stored in that variable. Okay, and you know what? We could test that, but let's just rock and roll and try to get it all done. The focus as well. So, and that one already has an ID. So I want to replace the inner HTML of this entire paragraph with the ID focus. So again, document.get element by ID, focus, inner HTML is assigned focus. In this case, this focus refers to the variable called focus. This focus refers to, and maybe it would be good just to clarify that we should call this, focus P for focus paragraph. And then in here, I can go focus P just to make sure you're not confused by this is the name of the ID, this is the name of the variable. Okay, and that's our simple program that should hopefully work. I hit run. So the page loads and it starts, whoa, what's going on here? Okay, what is your name? All right, my name is Mr. Veldkamp. Okay, what is your main focus for today? Make CS videos. And I hit OK. And good morning, Mr. Velkamp. Make CS videos. Awesome. Okay. That's it. Refresh. What is your name? George. I don't know. I always do George of the Jungle. What is your main focus for today? Eat and sleep. Okay. And there you go. Okay. Oh, you know what? It was throwing me off a little bit that this looks smaller, but that's of course because I changed the ID. Focus P. Let's try that again. We'll do Ezra, and Ezra's focus is to watch as many. No. He's going to complete computing science assignments. Boop. Good morning, Ezra. What is your main focus? And yeah, that's bigger again. Okay, cool. And then we've got Adam. And what does Adam want to do? Adam wants to keep his CS journal up to date, because that's a very important communication tool for me, and it shows me your understanding of computing science and that you're documenting and reflecting on what you're learning. So keep your CS journal up to date. Okay, anyway, that's it for this one. Simple landing page. All we have to do is get some input and then output the results. And we have this nice little landing page. Okay, hope that made sense. Take care, and we'll see you in the next code along example.